Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry, what happened is my battery went out and I didn't know, so it stopped recording. Okay, so while I was waiting for the battery to go ahead and get charged up again, I went ahead and on this carburetor here, I went ahead and I took out the old gaskets and put in some new ones, and I just went ahead and bolted it on. So I have not tried it or anything like that, so so I don't know if it's going to run or do any good, or it's going to be any good. So let's see. So, it looks like it was just a simple fix of putting a new carburetor kit, cleaning up the carburetor, and also in the carburetor there's this little filter, a little mesh filter that I went ahead and replaced out because it looked like it was rusted and stuff, and no gas could go through. So I put in a new gasket. A new filter for that guy. And I went and got the rest together. Now, where's where to go? I'm going to go ahead and put the air box back on. And that'll be it for this guy. That wasn't too bad. I got lucky with this. Sometimes, sometimes they're really, really hard to work on, and you just take forever, and they just do not want to run, no matter what you do. But I got lucky on this one, and I'm glad, because now I can go ahead and take it back to the guy that it belongs to, and I'm sure he'll be happy about it, and I will be too. Well, anyway, YouTubers, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you learned something. This was Joe's small engine repair. We went ahead and fixed a Ryobi HT26 hedge trimmer. This is 2009. This is a 2009. So it's not too bad. It's a little bit dirty. There we go. Got gas all over the place now. So anyway, YouTubers, please, if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I will have a new, hopefully since I'm doing better now and stuff, I'll have new videos on every week or maybe twice a week. Please subscribe if you like. Please, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, please give it a thumbs down, either way. Also, if you like to go ahead and comment, please comment. I'm always welcome to comments, what people say. But let's keep it civilized, okay? Anyway, let's she's a little bit smoky and everything. Maybe I gave it a little too much oil, and the gas to air mixture, gas to oil mixture. But the thing is, I'd rather have it that way than not have enough, and it'll go ahead and burn up on me. So this is really good. So anyway, YouTubers, see you next time, and I will have. I don't know. I'm working on everything. I still got that snowblower and stuff. I was that S600. I'm just waiting for parts for it and stuff, and I got some other stuff I need to do, and I would like to show you. Anyway, like I said, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Please give it a thumbs up, and please make a comment if you like, and I'll see you later. Thank you very much, YouTube.